Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on to show you how to make this glam centerpiece using dollar store items and our Cricut machine. And I would like to say today's video is sponsored by Cricut. Now these are the items that we are using for today's DIY. These glam sheets, mirror tiles, and vases from the Dollar Tree. Now this one here, the white one, I already spray painted it using this spray paint here that I got, I think it was from Home Depot. Okay, we're gonna start with decorating this vase here, which I have 2 of them. So we're gonna put the same decoration on both. So I'm gonna add these mirror tiles going right around the bottom of each vase. The mirror tiles come with self-adhesive on the back, so it makes it easy just to line it up and add it to our vase. Now I'm going to be adding this glam silver sheet here. Next, going right around our vase, which I cut into strips. And they come with a peel and stick, so it's easy to stick them on going right around our vase. So now that we have this all done, it's time to go into Design Space and get the image that we want for our vases. Okay, so here we are in Design Space. They have lots of images for you to choose from, and Design Space comes with your Cricut. There is a free access, or you could join a monthly membership. So my 2 images, and I don't want to use the flower that's on top, so I'm going to add a square and slice our image and then take out the parts that I don't want. I want this one, so I'm just going to delete the other 2. So now I can change the flowers to anything that I want. So I'm going to change the color so it will cut separate within Cricut. And now I'm just going to duplicate this one because I want 2 of the image. And then we're going to send it to our machine, which we're going to cut it on a mat. And then we just choose the material that we're using. See, they have lots of materials. You just choose the one that you have, send it to your Cricut, and let it cut it out. And then we do the weeding. Now, my image is white, so you can't see it very good, but the Cricut vinyl, it weeds very nice and easy. As you can see, once you have the right settings to cut the vinyl, your weeding is not a problem. And here we go. We are going to add our transfer tape to our image. And then we're just going to burnish the image onto our transfer tape. So we're just going to scrape it down well, both sides. And now we're going to clean the surface of our vase to make sure that the vinyl adheres to it with no oils or anything from your hands. And there we have our image laid down where we want it onto our vase. And then just press it down. And then again, we're just going to take our scraper and burnish it onto our vase. And then we just peel back the transfer tape. Now we have our centerpiece that we're going to start on. So it's a taller vase, and again we're going to go through with the same bling that we added to the smaller vases. We have our mirror tiles going all around. Then we have our bling wrap going right around. Okay, now we're going to clean off the surface. Always clean off your surface with some rubbing alcohol. And we're going to add our next image, which is this vase. And all the images that I'm using today, I will have the link below for the images that I use in Cricut Design Space. So we're burnishing it down, scraping it well, and then we're removing the transfer tape. And then I'm using these roses. I didn't want to use the roses that they came with. Instead, I chose to use these ones. And like I said, all the info for the link for everything I'm using will be down below in my description box. Click on it, go over to Cricut Design Space, and you can print these images for yourself. So we're just burnishing each image as we add it to our vase. And now we're just going to add some of the bling to make the stem, to add the roses to our vase. So we just cut some small strips. And remember, they come with a self-adhesive on the back. So we're just going to add them and make it look really nice with the blingy stems. So that's all done. We're going to take our two pieces, our painted vase, and this one, and we're going to use some Gorilla Glue and glue them together. Alright everyone, here is our finished look. I love how it turned out using our images from Cricut Design Space. I think it looks so lovely. See how easy and quick it is to come up with a beautiful glam decor for a spring wedding, summer wedding. I think it looks lovely for any occasion, even if you want to use it for a regular centerpiece on an event that you're having. And if you're doing your event on a budget, I think you can add some water and some floating candles. It will look beautiful instead of spending that extra money on the flowers. I think it would look lovely with floating candles inside. And here we go with some flowers inside. I love how it looks with the flowers also. So leave me a comment and tell me what you think of today's wedding centerpiece or event centerpiece. And I'd like to thank Cricut once again for sponsoring today's DIY video. As don't you think it turned out absolutely lovely? I love using the Cricut. It's so nice and easy. All right, everyone. Remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.